Hey everyone, my name is Peter. I'm a passionate wealth builder. I use properties and stock options as my investment vehicles, and you're watching my daily trade log. I document one of my option trades every single day for the benefit of everyone so that you can learn from it, others can learn from it. And today is my trade number 216. I traded MU. I sold a strangle against MU. It's not the best trade that you will ever see me doing, but it is a trade that could potentially generate some nice profit. I sold the $45 put option expiring in February, as well as the 62.5 call option. So when you sell a put option and a call option, then that's what we call a strangle. Normally the expiration is the same. And as we can see, the stock price jumped up today, and that's why I decided to go with this particular stock. I wasn't comfortable selling just a call option. Normally, when I see a stock moving up a fair bit, then I prefer to just sell what we call naked call option. But in this instance, because the current price level is more or less in the middle of the recent channel, as we can see, which started in June, I decided to sell a strangle instead of just going for a naked call option. The volatility is not so good on this one, but if we look at the price that this one is going for, it's currently trading, the mid-range is 131. I sold it at 130. So the potential annualized profit is 199%. That's not too bad. And the capital requirement is only $543. So this trade may not be the quickest trade that I ever had or will have, but I'm optimistic that the price is going to remain between my two strikes. Apart from selling a strangle against MU, I had a big payday today. I was able to close 5 of my positions. So if we have a quick look at it, the first one, AAL, I sold a $13 put option expiring on the 20th of January. So if we take a quick look at AAL, then we can see that it did spike up today. It closed yesterday at 12.53, so it went up more than $1 today. And yeah, that allowed me to close my $13 put option for a nice profit. To be exact, on 317% annualized profit. I also had a February $14 call option. Now, this was not an option that I sold. I actually purchased this option, and a few weeks ago when the price went down, I was hoping that we will see a nice bounce, but I did have to wait a little bit longer than anticipated. But I was fortunate today that I was able to get out of it. Normally I don't buy options, I sell them, but because I sold the put option for 80 cents credit and I bought the call option for 57 cents, so even if it didn't work out, I still would have had a little bit of credit in the deal. So these two trades worked out nicely. The third one that I was able to close was my Roku trade from 27th of December. I sold the $35 put option expiring in January. I collected $1.26 credit, and I was able to close it at 50 cents for a beautiful 971% annualized profit. So if we take a look at Roku, then we can see that once again the story is that the price went up a fair bit in the last 2 days, and that allowed me to close my position. The fourth trade that I was able to close was my Southwestern Airlines on $30 put option, which I sold on the 28th of December, so only a few days ago. And it didn't give me too much credit, 57 cents in total, but I was able to close it at 16 cents in a few days. Therefore, my annualized profit is over 500%. So that is a beautiful trade. And once again, if we take a look at LUV, then we can see the same story. The price went up today, and that allowed me to close this deal. The fifth one that I was able to close was WDC Western Digital. Once again, I had a put option against it at $30 strike price, and I received 87 cents credit, and I was able to close it at 40 cents for a beautiful 707% annualized profit. So if we take a look at WDC, then we can see that it did go up as I anticipated. I opened this position on the 30th of December at that point, more or less, and since then the price shot up nicely, so I was able to generate a quick profit on this trade. I will continue documenting one of my option trades every single day, so keep tuning in, learn from it, learn from my mistakes, learn from my wins, and hit the like button, subscribe, and spread the word. Thank you for watching.